Thank you very much. Back in mid-Missouri, the director of the Missouri Department of Revenue resigned today amid controversy how his department treats your private data.
KOMU 8's Garrett Berquist joins us live from the Capitol with the latest developments. Garrett?
Department of Revenue Director Brian Long resigned today after just 4 months on the job. His resignation comes after testimony revealed his department handed over a list of all of Missouri's concealed carry permit holders to the Highway Patrol, which then gave that data to the Social Security Administration. This is part of a larger controversy over the Revenue Department's decision, without telling anyone, to start scanning your private documents into a central database every time you apply for a state ID. The revelations came just weeks after Nixon said no such data exists. Governor Nixon has appointed Deputy Director John Molenkamp acting director. Molenkamp testified in hearings last week alongside then Director Long and other Department of Revenue personnel. Senator Kurt Schaefer said on the Senate floor, Long has been thrown under the bus and his resignation does not solve anything. Governor Nixon's office and the Revenue Department both refused to comment further for this story. Reporting live from the Capitol, Garrett Berquist, KOMU 8 News.